Now, if you're fed up not getting many clients, even though you've got a portfolio showcasing your work, then today's video is just for you. So I'm going to run through a whole host of reasons why your portfolio is not getting you clients and also how to fix them. The first thing that is probably missing from your portfolio website is a true game changer, but of course, only when used correctly. So dotted around your projects on your portfolio and also your homepage, you absolutely need a clear value proposition. If that sounds too complicated, don't worry, it really isn't. Let's say, for example, you're a logo designer. You might say somewhere on your homepage, I design functional and awesome logos. Okay, cool. But this doesn't actually convey why a client should hire you over somebody else. A true value proposition should instantly catch the attention of potential clients and tell them that you are the right designer for the job. So instead, you could have something like this. I create impactful logos that resonate with target audiences and elevate a brand's identity. This often results in at least a 40% increase in brand recognition within 3 months by using a strategic design process tailored to the relevant industry. Now, can you see the difference here? One value proposition literally adds value to any potential clients who might be seeking a logo designer to elevate their brand. The other is, well, generic, lacking in value, boring, and forgettable. But you can't just slap any random figures and data onto your portfolio. No. Which leads me on to the next point for your portfolio. What I'm going to tell you now will drastically increase the amount of potential clients interested in you as a designer. Let's say you're a freelance graphic designer and you want to get work and clients from smaller, more independent companies. A common pain point for these kind of clients might be that their current branding isn't attracting enough consumers. And that's because it might be outdated or inconsistent. If your portfolio only shows examples of your work without addressing this pain point, potential clients could literally show no interest in you whatsoever. So once you know a common pain point for the kind of client you want to attract, we can address that pain point directly on your portfolio, and here's how. The before and after case study. Include a project where you maybe took a small business's outdated branding and you transformed it into something more modern, cohesive, and appealing. You can show the results, such as increased traffic, better online engagement, or a rise in sales after the rebrand. Also, include a testimonial from a client who has experienced this transformation, emphasizing how your work solved their visibility problem and led to tangible business improvements. And then we have pain point specific messaging. You can use messages on your portfolio like, struggling to attract customers with outdated branding. Well, I specialize in transforming small business identities to stand out in competitive markets and connect with modern consumers. This language, it directly addresses the client's pain point and offers a clear solution. You really want your portfolio to be a marketing tool, something that you can leverage to address pain points of potential clients. You need to tap into their emotions, their wants, and their needs. Now, your portfolio might be missing something so simple, something so quick and easy to include, yet something that makes all the difference. A CTA or call to action is not just about telling someone to click here or contact me. It's about strategically directing the flow of your portfolio to ensure that potential clients know exactly what steps to take after viewing your work. And here's how it should actually look. Firstly, at the end of each project, you can add a CTA like, interested in a similar solution for your business? Let's discuss how I can help. Contact me today. You could also place a consistent, easy to find button on every single page with text like, let's build something great together, start your project now. And then on the homepage, you might want to add a CTA like, schedule a free 15-minute consultation to discuss your project needs. Now, this provides an immediate incentive for potential clients to reach out to you. It's no use having great work for clients to see, but no clear and targeted call to actions. And it literally takes no time at all to fix and set up on your portfolio. Now, the next problem that might be stopping you from getting clients on your portfolio is quite a common mistake a lot of people make. And let's imagine a graphic designer named Alex who specializes in minimal design. Alex's portfolio initially featured a mix of styles. Some projects were minimal and some were not. The typography varied from page to page with different font choices and sizes, and the color scheme was inconsistent, shifting from muted tones on some pages to bright, bold colors on others. And the lack of visual consistency makes your portfolio feel disjointed, which, it's not good. Potential clients who were drawn to Alex's minimal work found it difficult to understand his brand identity or specialization, and this led to fewer inquiries and a lower conversion rate. How sad. Yes, visual consistency is very important on your portfolio, and here's how you can fix it in just a few clicks. Unify the color palette. So for Alex, he could select a neutral, calming color scheme that aligns with his minimal aesthetics, and he can apply that consistently across all pages and projects. Also, he should use 2 fonts, maybe one for headings and one for body text, and use them uniformly throughout the entire portfolio. And this ensures a clean, professional look. And when it comes to layouts, he should standardize things for all project pages, using the same grid system, the same margins and image sizes to create a balanced and orderly presentation. And lastly, he should curate images and mockups that reflect his minimal style, ensuring that all visuals support the overall identity. A good designer will understand the importance of visual consistency, and that's why it's so crucial to have on your portfolio. It makes you just look like a competent designer. Then we arrive at something so important to portfolio success, but something many people unfortunately overlook. You need to know the target audience your portfolio is aiming to reach. Now, are you maybe a logo designer who is targeting startup brands? Do you design flyers for large nightclubs? Or maybe you want to appeal to high-end brands who want to elevate their brand system. You must understand the type of business or person your portfolio aims to attract. And no, it doesn't and it cannot appeal to everyone, because that's not how business or marketing works. Once you understand who you are targeting with your portfolio, then the way your portfolio looks and feels can be created for that type of person, and bingo, you then get more contacts, more clients. I've actually made a lengthy video on portfolio creation. It's kind of like a course. So if you want to check that out, just click the video on screen. But until next time, guys, design your future today. Peace.